Hey guys, so we're going to be attempting to fix my mom's fan, because look at this mess. Look at it. Look at the blades. So unaligned. See that? My mom said that she don't need a new fan. If I was her, I would get a new fan. It's like the same fan for like 20 years, man. Like, replace the fan. It wobbles a little bit. But I'm not here to fix the wobble. I'm here to fix the blades, how unaligned it is. Because, we'll see. Maybe it'll help the wobble. I'm not sure. I'm too scared to turn on high speed. So with that, we're gonna be fixing the fan. So, we're gonna be placing the camera right here. Yeah. Oh, and keep in mind, I'm using the crappiest screwdriver. So, let's get started. It's like so like bent completely. My fan is perfect. It's so bent really badly. So what I think the problem is that some screws are loose. So let's try to fix it. I want to be trying to fix it using this crappy screwdriver. Let's get started. It's gonna be a little bit hard. Okay, some progress. Alright, at least it's a little bit better here, but it still needs some fixing. So we're gonna finish up with this screw and go onto the other one. So alright, this one seems good. Let's go to the other screw now. Alright, good. Now look, check this out, guys. Look, we finished one blade, and look how it is now. It was like this way, now it's like nice and straight, see that? It's a little bit bent and all, but I think that's warpage. Look, I'm testing it, no movement. We're gonna test this one. This one, maybe we need to tighten a little bit. No, this one's fine. This one, alright, now this one's pretty bad. Look at this. That's the other side of the blade. Here it is. See how bad that is? Let's fix that. There you go. Blade number 2. I think there's like gonna be another blade after that, and the fan should be fixed. Wow. It don't look good. It's like really hard also to put like, oh there you go. It's this screw that's affecting the thing. I see. Alright, let's get started. It would have been way easier if I took these globes down or put the whole switch housing down. It would be easier to get the blades, but obviously I'm lazy. I'm too lazy to remove the switch housing. It'll be more of a hassle, so I'm choosing it to do the hard way. I think this way would be quicker. It's harder and all, but it'll be quicker. Hold on. The chain is bothering me. Hold on. There you go. Now that's a lot better. It was this blade, I think. So, good. Hold on. It's like a little bit, practically nothing. Alright, this one's fixed. Let's check it out. Wow, this looks a lot nicer now. Alright, now let's put the screwdriver down and get the chain. Jeez. Oh, and by the way, guys, before you ask, yes, this light kit is not original. My dad replaced it like years and years ago. I have no idea why. So, here's the logo. Yeah, that looks a lot nicer, but still needs fixing. I can even turn it on high because of how confident I am. And look, they're straight. There's a little bit, there's something bent there, but that's a lot better than before. See? Practically no wobble whatsoever. And that clicking noise, the clicking noise is from the either the canopy or a screw, I don't know. I think it's the canopy banging on the ceiling. So I think that's what is causing the noise, but obviously I can't do that at the moment because the canopy is really high. Yeah, this looks a lot nicer now. So let's still fix it a little bit. Let's go. Yeah, all right, let's go. Okay. Good. Alright, this one needs a little bit of fixing. Wait, which one is it? Yeah, it's that one. Alright, let's go. Alright. Better? Oh, this one, alright. Okay. They're flimsy also. This one. Alright, let's go. Yeah, I see it. This is tough because I'm using the crappiest screwdriver. Yeah, I see. Alright. Dude, this thing does not want to work. Should have gotten a better screwdriver, but whatever. And okay, good. Yeah, no more. This one's good. Good. All right, fix this one a little bit. All right. Oh shoot. Good. All right. Whew. This one's good. This one's good. This one's good. This one's good. This one, hold on. Good. 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 All right, let's test it out. I think we fixed it. So, here we go. Wow, look how much better it looks from the previous. Look, it was like so bent. Now it's like nice and straight. So let's go. Let's get started. Oh yeah, if you guys want to see the light, here you go. Yeah, here's the problem with this light. It's two-way. 1, 2, 1. Hold on. See that? It's two-way. I think it's fixed. See, it used to wobble, but now it's fixed. That's slow. Let's go to medium. By the way, this is the original Harbor Breeze logo. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. Look, see, practically no wobble. Yeah. Here you go for high. Look, see how nice that is? If those blades were bent, right, and I turned it on high speed, yeah, I would have been done, because those blades would have been gone. Look, nice and straight. There's still something bent under there. Look, hold on, let's check it out. Yeah, something is still bent right here. There's a blade bent a little bit, but like, that's a really good difference from the previous. I think it's fine. This wobble is no big deal. What my mom could do, I told her that if you don't want to pay for like a new fan, right? If you're like stingy or something, right? You're greedy with your money, you can go to Walmart, right? Walmart fans. All of them are less than $100. On display, I think most of them are less than $100. And the Walmart fans are actually not that bad. So yeah, this is a video of how to fix your bent blades with the crappiest screwdriver ever. If I had a better screwdriver, this would have been much easier. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.